Right, I've got an hour and a half. I've come back to where I found those triple silvers just to prove that lightning doesn't strike twice. Actually, I'm here to get a few more tokens, hopefully. Edward 7, 1910, but it's bronze this time. Oh no, wrong. I'm wrong, it's 1916, so it's got to be George 5. It's in grotty condition. Yeah, that's George 5. I think that's a George 3rd. Halfpenny. Bit weird looking. Ah, it's a buckle. Well, you're interesting. Got two holes in there for screwing onto something. Is it a pot lid? Is it a door handle? Unusual. Get a nice angle on that for the photograph. Lots of rubbish. And I think that's a bronze penny, but it's badly mutilated. Clean it up. I don't do iron, but when it's that big it does me. Okay, we'll settle for a very nice shoe buckle. Could actually be a hat buckle, it's very light. Like it. And another buckle. Just shows, doesn't it? I mean, I haven't had a sign of a token or a seal. Ground changes so quick round here. Oh, loom weight. I'll give up down there for the time being. I've just come up in this corner. I've had one or two up here before. Maybe I can jag another one. But that is a lead loom weight. That's small enough to be a farthing, but it isn't. It's a George 5 halfpenny that's just dissolved all around the edge. Shame. Oh my goodness, I've got a token. A tiny little cross and 4 pellets. Very small. My goodness. Whoa, I got one. Oh my goodness, I've got a seal. It is in diabolical condition. Oh dearie me, that's going to give me some stick, is that? Indeedy. Oh, well, we'll see what we can do. Right, that's an Elizabeth II threepenny bit. 12-sided threepenny bit. There she is. Queen Elizabeth II. Oh, a nice big checker token. I'm losing the daylight. Sun's gone down. It's not as bright as it looks. This camera is very good in the dark. Oh, I got another 5-10 minutes maybe. Now that's a massive lead button. It's not a whirly gig, it hasn't got any serrations around the edge. That is a button. One of these triple gilded buttons. I'm just going to try and do this last bit of this platform here. Oh, getting cold. Well, got a thimble. Aye. Well, a very different day today. I only had an hour and a half, what with one thing and another. So I thought I'm going to have a look up on that top and just see if there's anything left. Well, there were lots of lead left. Come on, let's face it, it's Westhouse Mill. I dug up this huge rock, and what did I find underneath? Half a cartridge. I was expecting a hoard. A cog. Thimble. Hole appeared in it on the way home, so I thought, well, I'm not going to straighten you, you'll just break. What's this? Come on, this is mystery number 1. What are you? Looks like some, what was it? Art Nouveau piece. I thought at first it was off a car, but no, it wouldn't be so crude. But it's got me stumped. Somebody'll know what it is. Let's have a look. Buttons. I got lots of buttons. When I'm searching deep for stuff, I get buttons. Buckles. This was the theme of the day, I think. Buckles. Nice harness buckle there, you know, in good condition. Nice. I call these human buckles. Shoe buckle. A very, very delicate iron pin there's rusted out. Could have been either shoe or a hat buckle. It's very light. Surprised it lasted, actually. And then this one. This is I think this is a little sash buckle. That buckle went under there, didn't it? I'm not going to straighten these out. They tend to just break off when you do. But that part there is like the hasp on a clog clip, only this is a buckle, and that would have clicked onto the other half of the buckle. So if you put that back to front, that's what it would have looked like. Two of them. Okie doke. Huge. It's not a whirligig. Whirligigs have these indentations to make them go woo woo. It's a button. They used to cover them with cloth. Not a lead button, but put cloth on top of it to match whatever it was going on. Okay, here's a goodie. That is one nice token. It's a cross and the 4 pellets. Usually there's nothing on the back of these. Very small though. I mean, you get this checkered one and look at that. So got 2 tokens, what the heck. And actually got a seal, ta-da! But you know something, I'm embarrassed. I've no idea who it is. I can't pick out a single. I need 2 letters together at the very least, and it doesn't work. I look at this and I think it's a flax seal. No, it isn't. It says, no, it could be. Nah, there looks to be a 12 there, H, 12H, which would make it a flax seal. But the others don't work. They don't make any sense. So I got a seal. Look, can't go out without a seal, but not much good. Money, rubbish. Look at the way they're falling apart. I didn't even bother cleaning this up. It's a threepenny bit. I had to look at that side and I thought, yeah, it's got a portcullis on, so it's Elizabeth. George VI has got the old plant on, thrift plant. And then, oh, this gave me some stick, did this. That's George V. And I've had 3 different dates off this thing. What is that? It's 1914. Or is it? It's George V, that'll do. Then this beaten up thing, I think this is they call it a conda token. There's a shield on there, look, see that shield? And it's probably the Leeds woolen mill. They used to put their tokens up into the flax mills and it had on the woolen ones, wool is best. It kind of made me laugh, you know. So, but a halfpenny was a halfpenny. They weren't bothered whose name was on it. Now, I'll do this one first. I'm not sure this is a coin at all. I look on this side and there appears to be writing round it, but I don't think so. I think that's a top off something and it's come adrift. Look. It's that sort of horrible type metal they had during the war. Gunge stuff. Pot metal or something they called it. It was neither pewter nor lead nor anything else, but I don't think it's a coin. This one, I gave this a little rub with Brillo and I thought, hello, I know you. You are George 2, and there's your 2 there, look. See the 2? 1, 1. So that's George the 2nd. And another way I can tell the George 2nds is the bronze. George 2nd are always better than George 3rd. George 3rd copper coins are rubbish. So we turn him over, and we got Britannia there, look. And I think it is Britannia, so it's English. But the date down there, I'm going to plumb for 1724. It's round about that date. But oh, it's hard when they're like that. So there you go, look. No silver today, altogether. Oh. But I got one seal, and I got what I was looking for, which were the two tokens there. But God, they were hard work. And 3 buckles. So look, it's out there. Go get it. And if you've any idea what any of these things really are, please let me know. See you later. Bye.